Walker's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, I don't know.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia te MΑORI, te MAORI, kia
Tō mātou puku hohe.
A lot of eggplant emojis there, my
Tō
friend.
mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download Māori Plus on your devices.
Inga reo, inga mana, tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai, hara mai ki kirikiri roa, mo te kemu o whutu poro. Ui wero, hara mai te toki, haungi e, hui e, tāki e. Tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai, hara mai, ki tēnei tukunga, nui, a te whakataitai Super 8 First 15. E te mihi atu ki a koutou katoa, e mātakitaki ana, mai ana puta noa I Aotearoa. I tēnei rā, o te kura tuma tānei, a tama tānei o Kiriroa, I tuku ana kia tūranga tānei, Hamilton Boys High and Gisborne Boys High School. Kia ora koutou katoa, and welcome in here for continued coverage. I'm Jason Goobies, aka Chopper. Great to have along on Whakaata Māori Plus here on their YouTube channel for today's Super 8 First 15 matchup today. You can see a beautiful prepared surface here in Kirikiriroa. The game is being played at the home ground of Hamilton Boys High on the number 1 field, and they have done everything to get it ready indeed. Well, it's been a fantastic competition so far, as Hamilton will come in with a 4-1-0 record, 4 wins, 1 draw. They're sitting in first in the leaderboard at the moment. Gisborne, well, they're in 6th place with a 1-4 record. So everything to gain for Gisborne here against Kirikiriroa Hamilton. Let's have a look at the Hamilton lineup for you today. And you can see they are led from the front. In his 25 cap test match today, Dion Fafita will be the Paumua prop, and he'll be partnered with the hooker Hunter Heyman. Masami Kawai will be the other Paumua on the other side of the scrum. And then Nissan Bromhill with Caleb Pomo will be the two Kai Whiki locking pairing. Ethan Hyatt and Tom Foote with Isaiah Edwards will be the loose forward combo. Tom Foote being the captain of the side here today. Thomas Nordstrom will be the Potoko, the halfback for Hamilton Boys. Jackson Bothaway will be in the 10 jersey, leading them around the year 13er. Liam De Elliott will be in 11. The other winger is Hunter Carson. In 12 today, Cullen Parai in the centre role. The Tupapa Poo is Israel Marshall Moore, and at the back in 15 jersey today is Patience Tuapola. So a very good lineup here for Cam Morby in his second year of control here of the Hamilton Boys High School, of course following on after Nigel Hotham's legendary career with Hamilton. Now let's flip over to the Gisborne lineup here for you. And Gisborne have made the trek over from the East Coast. Tūranga Tāne, the team here from Gisborne. And they will be led up the front by Crawford, Kahutia Crawford. Max Harmon, he'll be the Waikapi hooker and captaining the side here today. Yasi Tupu will be in the other Paumua. Year 12, but a player to watch, that's for sure, in the 3 jersey. Flynn Morsley and Manoa MāORI will be the locking partners, Akai Tiki, Jeremy Bryant, Matty Smyers, and Storm Dether will be the loose forwards for Gisborne. Halfback for them today is Cohen Theos Brown. Ryan Ludwig will be leading Brown in the back line here in the number 10 jersey. The wingers today, Rory in the 11 jersey, Fukushima Hall, and Manawai Stewart with the other winger in the 14 jersey. 12 and 13 today, Tana Boy Hawada and Senatenari Tusa will be in the 13 jersey. Jake Curra will round out the starting lineup here for Gisborne Boys. You can see some impact players there on the bench for Mark Jefferson to select when he needs to. And Gisborne with a lot to prove here today. Of course, Gisborne will come off the back of a lot of confidence. Last game for them, they played New Plymouth. They are down by a bunch against New Plymouth, and a spirited comeback from them. A 3-try day from the Moa Tupou in that match to come back, and they win that one 33-32 with a kick right on the final whistle, does Gisborne. So a fantastic game for him. So they'll take a lot of confidence out of that match, will Gisborne, and they'll look to add to that today. On the other side with Kirikiriroa, Hamilton, while storied history in their program, that's for sure. They have the best record at the national first of 15. And then, of course, they won the Senex World Cup as well. And the most, if you like, invited team to the Senex World Rugby Tournament is Kirikiriroa Hamilton Boys High. So, storied history. Third last season. They are the largest secondary school in the Waikato region here, Hamilton. And they're looking to make amends from last season. We've got a chance to catch up with their coach prior to the match, Cam Morby for Hamilton, and his thoughts on today's games is always a tricky one, Chopper, when you're coming back from the holidays, a couple of weeks off, and seeing how the boys will go in today's match will be a big mark in how they will go for the rest of the season. They were disappointed with last season's third place finishing, but what they felt last year is they could control the key moments of the match. And that's what they've improved on this year. As we mentioned, in the Super 8, they come in with a 4-win and 1-draw record. They do have 2 losses, pre-season losses, one to St. Kitts and one to Auckland Grammar in there. And but they are looking and travelling really good, of course, trying to make their way back to a Super 8 championship, and, of course, to head to the National First 15 finals as well. They'd love to do that in Palmerston, North Papua or here. Gisborne, as the teams aren't too far away from coming in here, they have storied history as well, where, of course, last season they was not the best of results, but with that result last week's New Plymouth, they're looking to do that. This is the school that back in 2007 were undefeated and won the national title. I guess who was the captain of that side then? None other than the head coach, Mark Jefferson, for Gisborne. So a lot of experience in behind this team, and really looking forward to seeing how things will go here indeed. So I hope you're ready, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, fantastic to have you along here. No mai haramai. I tēnei wā mo te kemu o Whutuporo on Whakaata Māori. Really is a pleasure to have you along here for this Super 8 matchup here. Only a couple of games out from the playoff series. So Hamilton boys looking to try and cement their spot at the top of the table. Gisborne boys looking to maybe sneak their way in the back door, come into a third place, fourth place, and sneak into that playoff position. They would love that. That is for sure. Here they come. Or getting set here, of course, before the fixture. The whittle is laid between both kura, a fantastic tradition here in the Super 8 and in First 15 rugby in New Zealand. Number of cap players for Gisborne and Hamilton. A lot of first-year, First 15 members in the Gisborne Boys side. 13 of them out of their full roster are first year in the First 15, but they've got 9-year 13, so they've drawn their experience. On the flip side for Kirikiriroa Hamilton, well, there are 7 players that have got 15 games underneath their belt, but 4 players have got caps because they do their caps at 25. That's why I only see 4 players come forward from Hamilton just there. That is Dion Fafita, Tom Foote, Jackson Bothaway, and Cullen Pardai, the 4 multiple cap members. And remember, Dion Fafita in the 1 jersey. This is his 25th game here today for Kiriroa. 11-year 13s in this Hamilton side, as we now lay down the whittle from both of these kura. Well, kia mau te wehe. The whittle has been laid here, right, ka nohi te ka nohi, between Gisborne, Tauranga Tāne and Hamilton, Te Kura Tamatane or Kiri Roa here today. And if that won't get you ready for a Super 8 matchup here, first 15 rugby, the best of the best in the Central North Island. Well, I don't think of anything. Well, great to have you along for it, ladies and gentlemen. As I mentioned, I'm Jason Kirby's, a.k.a. Choppy. I'll be a kai kōrero commentator for today's matchup, and a real privilege to be here on Whakaato Māori. Really is cool. Beautiful day here locally. The rain has subsided from earlier this morning, I'm pleased to say. And we are almost set to get underway. The Kaiwawa referee in this one will be Jonathan Crosby out there in the middle, controlling the action here today. And I'm sure he is going to have a free-flowing game and an opportunity for things to get ahead. 12 degrees Celsius here locally. Hardly a lot of wind out there. There was rain earlier today, as we mentioned. That has dried up, so maybe slick conditions underneath foot. We'll see how we go in this match. Kiri roa, Tauranga Tāne, e te iwi, he tīmata. That one down the back here. And it'll be as you can see on the right side of your screen. And Kiri roa, or Te Kura Tamatane, or Kiri roa Hamilton. They're also in black, but they've got the maroon shoulders, if you like, with yellow numbers. So that's a way to try and tell them apart. Very similar shirts here today to make it interesting for your commentator. This one comes out to the right side. Nordstrom. Busting through the middle here, Kirikiriroa. Now out the back. Bothaway gets it away. Into Pardai, and Pardai feeds it out. And in the blink of an eye, Kirikiriroa will score their first try here in the opening moments of the match. So going all the way to the left side there, Liam Deha Elliott, I believe, was dotted down in the corner. Once Kirikiriroa got on the front foot, look back, did they? Vision attempt from the sideline, and that is away. So Rima Tekore, 5 points to 0 here, an early start for Kirikiriroa. And boy, once they got the pill, couple up the middle, set the standard, and then Epiro in the corner, try to the flying winger Liam Deha Elliott. Not what the doctor ordered here for so Ludwig will get him restarted here. And a bustling run. Of course, an infringement early, and so Gisborne an opportunity here to try and stamp the authority. They will set an attacking a line out here. Rangirangi Kiwaho. Inside the territory here of Kirikiriroa. Harmon to feed the line out, the captain. Taken in by Morsley. Counter more from Kirikiriroa, then off the back with plenty of energy. Now bustling forward. Dusa finds the pass and then gets it away. Just out there. But a good passage of play. Fukushima Hall, the winger for Gisborne, just going into touch. Well, if you just joined us, welcome into the Super 8 fixture here between Hamilton, Kirikiriroa and Gisborne. Turangatani. Just underway. Hamilton has picked up a try in the first minute of the match. See a couple of loose balls there. Oh, well, Crosby playing advantage. Another pick and roll. Just outside the try line now for Gisborne. Another drive. And a penalty. Gisborne under pressure, their hand in the ruck. That one lifted and not out. Kept alive here by Gisborne. Now at the back. Ludwig pushing it in the corner. Kirikiriroa returning the favour. No one at the back now for Gisborne. back to get the ball from his 22. And he will clear that one into touch. Kirikiriroa now from inside their own half. Kaiwa quickly gives the penalty here. And Jonathan Crosby, the referee for this one. That one will clear out. So Gisborne now with another attacking line out. Last one was good. Good counter ball from Kirikiriroa and part of the retrieve of the set move. Then they went to the left. Set again. Quickly this time. Ludwig. Is it out? Advantage being played to Gisborne. Ludwig. Tusa. Takes it to ground, lays it back here for Gisborne. Come back to the middle now. Tupou drives it in. They'll come back here. We're playing an advantage to Gisborne, so they'll go all the way back to the advantage. Turangatani will elect to take a kick at the sticks. I have a feeling though, Pakanga nui ki mua, o kei mua iai rātau. Definitely a battle lies ahead between these two kura here today. So Ludwig will find the post. So with just on 9 minutes gone here in the first half, Rima Mete Toru, 5 points to 3 here. Waiwawa's not happy with the tackle, too high. Crowd not happy with it either. Nick, the captain, will throw this into the lineup. Well, not happy. Whistle goes again. Now away go Kirikiriroa. Yeah, nice work over the top of the ball there for Gisborne from Morsley. Steals that one in the ruck. Down the right side here. Another pillar for Tauranga. Tane, Gisborne, right side. Up and under. This one's pumped. The definite play here to have the game played in the opposition half, isn't there? It's one down deep. So a scrum here. Kirikiri options. An attacking scrum just outside the try line of Gisborne. 11 minutes gone here in the first half. Off the back here goes Eddards. Now driving ahead to the line. Oh, Kaiwa Wall comes around, says it's a knock on. Always a interesting one when you're on the other side of the ruck, whether you can see the ball get down. Of course, the AR or assistant referee is right on the far side of the field as well. So Gisborne will get a defensive scrum just outside their try line now. Tukinga Tinana, physical contest here today. Pakaonga Peke, Neka Rarangi. Set piece is so critical in the battle. Off the back of the scrum goes Thea. Strong running number 8 for Gisborne. Now come the right side. Finding a little range there. They'll come back for the advantage though. Ludwig, chance to get them out of their red zone. With a chance to drive further down the field here. Need to catch the ball on the line out first. Taken it nicely. Ludwig. Quick hands. Oh, brilliant. Thea just mitts on the ground to grab that one. No room left on the left side. Cutter takes it in. And over the top of the ball work from Kirikiri is perfect. And they'll take a quick tap here. Game continues. That's the way Super 8 rugby's played at pace. Rothway gets it out. Physical contest here. Tuapolo takes it up to the Puma. Vantage. Just holding on there. Not rolling away. Kirikiriroa right out the front. Bothaway will have a chat to the Kaiwawa, tell him what he wants to do. I think they're going to attack, and they are too. So, early signs from Hamilton Boys High, their intention here today. Of course, the motto of their school, a wise man craves his own fortune, and looking to create their own fortune here today on the Putuporo paddock, that's for sure. That's for sure. Plenty of great All Blacks come out of the New Zealand Honours, coming out of Kirikiriroa. Warren Gatlin, of course, the player and coach. Scott McLeod, Sylvie Reese, current All Black. My favourite, though, as they drive closer to the line here, Dick Quacks, the silver medalist from the 1976 Olympics. Pushing now, driving. Fafita, his 25th, reaches out, and then that goes on again here, and Kirikiriroa will score. Coming in is Tom Foote, the captain, with a pick and go after Fafita lays the platform. Just what the doctor ordered here for Kirikiriroa. 35-minute halves here in Super 8 Rugby First 15. Long kick here. And that one just away to the right. So unconverted 2 tries, 10 points to 3 to go MΑORI here in Kirikiriroa. Ludwig now from the inside. Their own half. Oh, counter run. Ball comes loose though. But I tell you what, Caleb Tuamo, what a figure running down the paddock he is for Kirikiriroa in the 5 jersey. Now Gisborne drives it back the other way. Come right side. Plenty of pressure on the ruck here. Backhand throw. Harmond takes it up. Out to Ludwig. Uthier. Will come back to the Kaiwawa. 19 minutes gone here in the first half. Kate ora tonu ki Te Kemu. Game is still alive here. Only 7 points in it. One on the table. It's on the table. Kirikiriroa, the favoured team, that's for sure. You never know on the day. Can't take them lightly. We saw what Gisborne did to Plymouth in their last match, didn't we? Off they go off the back of the scrum now. Shuffles it out wide. Kicks a little skewered. Almost works though. Covered in the back for Gisborne. Nowhere. Oh, bruising encounter here today. As Smize takes it up into a shoulder. Oh, flying onto it, Harmon. Comeback stayed the right side. With Thea, he's been busy. The number 8 for Gisborne. A bustling run. Tupou. This one off the back of the hands. Continue to play here. Good defence from Kirikiriroa. Quick ball now. Oh, unable to stay in the blitz. Gisborne looking to play this game at pace here today against Kirikiriroa. In my mind, I think that's a great idea. Of course, a motto for Gisborne Boys High, courage knows no defeat. Mohinga kore, ko mate kore. Plenty of courage here in these young men from Gisborne. Urangatane. Scrum just inside there. For Kirikiriroa. And away they go. Show and go from Nordstrom. Ball comes loose. So it'll be another scrum here to Hamilton Boys High, Kirikiriroa. And Nonoke. Just outside the 22. A camera set up on the 22 line here today. Just for our viewers so you don't get confused. That is the Gisborne 22 line. We're here, Nonoke now for Kirikiriroa. Off the back. Edwards to Nordstrom. Now the back door. No room for Hunter. They'll come back up the middle. Here comes the engine room. Oh, good work over the top of the ball from MΑORI. Fantastic word from the Kaifi Tiki lock for Gisborne. We'll put that into touch as the rain gets heavier here in Kirikiriroa. Mentioned earlier today, it was just bucketing down. Groundsmen, just want to thank our volunteers here at Hamilton Boys High, getting everything ready, getting the ground playable here for today's Super 8 matchup on MΑORI Plus and MAORI TV. Look after MAORI, of course. Out the back, under pressure here, Gisborne. Ludwig, forced kick. Kirikiriroa get it just outside the 22 of Gisborne. And they're bustling up the left-hand side. Go and go from Nordstrom. Kaiwawa's not happy. You could see that coming, couldn't you? Sailing over the top of the ball. The captain is foot, but that was Bothway coming and said, we want a scrum here. So Jackson Bothway, the 10 jersey, making decisions for Kirikiriroa. So here, Nonoke just inside the 22 of Gisborne. Red zone. Green zone for Kirikiriroa here today. Takaiki ne. Left side. And Gisborne have got them to knock it on. Playing advantage here, the Kaiwawa. Come back for the knock on. Gives them the option. Max Hammond, the captain of the 2 jersey here for Gisborne, says we'll have a Nonoke, please, sir. At 18 metres out from their own try line. So a defensive one here for Urangatane. He manawa toa Turangatani, showing plenty of courage here as the rain continues to come down. Scrum goes down. Of course, Gisborne have got some great national honours that have heralded out of their kura. Jose and Rico Gear, two of the great rugby players to come out of that school. I'll tell you my favourite though, Maz Quinn, the surfer. Remember him? Yeah, well, he came from Gisborne High School. How cool. 17 years old is Gisborne. Well, 70 years by themselves. They split in 56. The school started way back in 1909. A co-ed school with Gisborne boys and girls at the time. Back of the scrub. Now in front of their try line, Ludwig under pressure. Good sliving take here from Bothaway. Kirikiriroa on the charge. No penalty here to Kirikiriroa. So, Heranangi ki Waho, just 5 metres out from the Turangatani try line. Hammond. The knock on, Gisborne have held their Steely medal here. Just picked up both hookers, both Y Cup here for Gisborne and Kirikiriroa Hamilton. Last name's Hammond. They're identical. That's going to make it easy for Chopper today. Off quickly is Gisborne. Want to get out of their red zone here. Now up to the 22, Gisborne, pushing ahead. Oh, flirting with the touchline here. Oh, collision up the middle, Crawford. Kirikiriroa trying to clear the ruck. Arm is out for advantage. So a penalty just outside the 22. Back of the line out comes loose here, charging forward, toes in the head here, pressure. And a good tackle. Looking to get out of their zone here, and a penalty to Kirikiriroa. Quick tap. Looking for the line here, going again. And time off here from the Kaiwawa, and he's going to his pocket here. This could be tragedy, and it is indeed. Ludwig infringing in the ruck, and Turangatani will be down to 14 men. So, attacking Nonoke here for Kirikiriroa. Platform. And it's over. A great job here. Isaiah Edwards from Kirikiriroa getting the job done with 31 minutes gone in the first half. And that one goes over for the extras from Bothaway. So all of a sudden the scoreline moves out 17 points to 3 to Koma Whetū me Toru. Kirikiriroa the lead over Gisborne in the first half here. Away we go again here, and Kirikiriroa just goes to 10. Oh, look at that kick. Nordstrom with a little bit of magic. And they'll continue to try and feed it up the middle here and use the foot again here. Obviously a tactic, trying to getting Gisborne on their back foot. No one behind the ball here. Gisborne have done well. No box kick for them. Oh, postcard perfect from Cohen Theos Brown. The Po Toko, apologies. Halfback for Gisborne. Working hard here, Gisborne. Looking to answer right back here, just on the brink of half time here. Oh, a good show and go. Just outside the 22 of Kirikiriroa now. And loose. Oh, lost. Greasy on the track now with that rain earlier. Kirikiriroa looking for space. The Flyers will get into action here. A foot race. Kia tere te oma. And the collision is heavy. Referee's got an advantage for a knock on. Yep, side. Inside their 22, looking to clear it here. Oh, of course, as you saw, back for the advantage. It was a penalty advantage he had, not a knock-on advantage. And that'll be half-time here, ladies and gentlemen, in Kirikiriroa. And a great spirited start from these two kura. 3 tries to 1, 3 tries to a penalty, and it is a Gisborne leading. The Koma Whetū me Toru, 17 points to 3. We'll be back with more action here on the Super 8s on Whakaata Māori and Māori Plus. We'll see you soon.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
It's time for action. We are working to reduce the impacts of climate change, side by side, with nature, with each other, through research, investment and practical innovation. Because nature is not a resource, it's a collaborator. Nativa, leading with nature.
Sport is about more than just a game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
Hey, Tefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MΑORI Plus on your devices.
I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Anō mai, hoki mai, and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, ki te tukunga nui o te whakataitai Super 8 verse 15 rugby here in Kirikiriroa, Brisbane, Hamilton Boys High School leading the Kaumā Whetū me toru, 17-3 over Gisborne Boys High here in the first half. In the first half, well, got off to a flyer with a try in the first minute to Kirikiriroa, DeHart Elliott in the wing, in the corner, a penalty in the 9th minute with the scoreline 5-3, and then 2 tries as we're underway here in the second half. Two more tries to Kirikiriroa, 17th minute, crossed over the captain foot, and then in the 31st minute, another try going to the number 8, Edwards, that was converted. That's our scoreline so far, 17-3. Great to have you along. Kia ora koutou katoa, no mai haere mai, hoki mai, and welcome back into Whakaata Māori for today's telecast of the Super 8 Rugby here in Hamilton. I'm Jason Gerby's aka Chopper, and it's a real privilege to be here with you today. Thank you, and kia ora koutou moto tautoko, me te whānau, me te kaioko. Thank you to all those that support these two great kura here, Gisborne and Hamilton, the families, the teachers, the volunteers, the managers, the coaches. Do a fantastic job, and of course our kaiwawao here today. Underway in the second half. And Kirikiriroa looking to start early. Backline move looking good, plenty of hands on the ball. Gisborne up to it defensively so far. Plenty of muscle. And the Kaiwawao making his decision early here. Gisborne happy. Of course, they play the ball quickly, don't they, today? Kaiwawao not happy again. We've seen the Kaiwawao. Jonathan Crosby right there on the mark with some fantastic calls in the first half. Started the second half the same way. Bothaway. Also Nonoke here. Kirikiriroa wanting a set piece move. Just on the halfway mark. No camera angle for you today if you've just tuned in, is positioned on the 22 of Kirikiriroa Hamilton. Well, that's the halfway mark where the Nonoke is set. Just want to thank our sponsors here at Māori Plus and Whakaata Māori, Caltex and Bailey's, to name just a couple. Fantastic contribution. Well, the rangatahi to be showcased here on the Whutupuru paddock. Crosby being real diligent about how he wants the scrum set, isn't he? Plenty of pressure. Advantage being played, and they'll come back for that. No decision made. Kirikiriroa wanting to play the start of the second half in a positive fashion, aren't they? I believe they've got the power in the engine room. Fafita, Pomua, prop for Hamilton, playing in his 25th game today, so he received his cap. 28 caps to Tom Foote, the captain, 33 to Bothaway, first 5, and 28 caps to Cullen Pardai, the second 5'8". So lots of experience in this Kirikiriroa team. A couple of players out injured or recovering. They get them ready for the back end and playoff section of the Super 8. Kirikiriroa, massive school, 2,320 odd students. Gisborne on the flip side, 800 students. Almost 3 times the amount of students at Hamilton Boys High School to pick from for their first 15. Oh, the pressure. You can feel the steam, can't you? Nice and aggressive, Kirikiriroa. Gisborne, fantastic work. The whole team is in there. And they will get the scrum feed, the nunoke. Gisborne built on courage. That was brilliant. Karawe. They're tukinga tinana, real physical contest here today in the rain. In Kirikiriroa. Nunoke. Just on Gisborne's side of the halfway mark. Pressure. Running with passion. Ludwig. Been involved a number of times here today, that's for sure, the first 5 for Gisborne. Gotta say, every time Gisborne get the ball, Kirikiriroa reply with something really good in the rucks today, and they've done it again. This time it was Maddie Smize in the 7 jersey. Takirahi Potaha, open side flanker. Here's one for you, Takirahi Potaha, open side flanker, here on MāORI Plus. So an attacking line out. Just outside the 22 of Tauranga. It's a contest today, isn't it? Gisborne have played this game with courage, determination. Chancing their arm. Of course, got to chase with authority. Kirikiriroa, though, been led around the park. Wow, Gisborne opportunist, haven't they? Advantage being played to Gisborne. So I'll come back for that advantage. Our rangatahi, of course, future stars of Futuporo. Now the next step from first 15 rugby is club rugby. Of course, then the NPC, which gets underway next week. Then if you can, make a step into Super Rugby. Pathway is clear, and of course the Kapo Pango, the All Blacks. Well, that lineup looks crooked to me. Rārangi ki waho. It's your word for the day at the iwi. Rārangi ki waho, line out. See the game continue here. The counter ruck from Kirikiriroa Hamilton's been great today, hasn't it? Technique has been good today. The defensive line from Tauranga Gisborne has been nice and quick. See, with the wet ball, of course, the rain has stopped now, but with the wet ball, keeping that ball in close a little. Kind of engine room stuff. See good runs from Crawford, the prop, Pomua, Makirikiriroa. And plenty of pillars of action. And Gisborne have weathered the storm and time again here as they clear down the line. You've got to be commendable the way Gisborne have played here today. There's only 15 points in it. Sorry, 14 points. Ko mā whetū me toru. 17-13 here, 10 minutes gone in the second half, 35-minute halves. Oh, good engine room stuff here. Real punishing play, isn't it? And Turangatani rewarded. Kātahi te taki nui. Great tackle. And Nonoke here to Turangatani. Just inside the 22 of Kirikiriroa. Probably best attacking opportunity here for Gisborne. The whole match. Set piece. Off and running. I told you Gisborne have got some pedigree. Their head coach, Mark Jefferson, the former Bay Plenty Heartland Rugby captain, but he was part of the Gisborne's so close. Multiple attempts here. Kirikiriroa! Time and time again. So close. Kaiwa Wow right there. Oh, staying low, Kirikiriroa. Line speed is explosive. Going back into the middle. Defense is strong. Exciting play, and Kirikiriroa on the counter. Kirikiriroa screaming. The Kaiwa Wow. Boy, oh boy, just holding on to the ball. Gisborne so close on the try line, about 8 or 9 plays trying to get over the line. You see them attack, kick it into the 22, only about 15 metres out now from the try line. Rangiki Waho. I was talking about the head coach, Mark Jefferson, for Gisborne. Of course, he was part of that legendary 1994 unbeaten team for Gisborne. So if anyone knows how to do it, the head coach for Gisborne does, Mark Jefferson. Rolling ball. Used by Kirikiriroa. Oh, the defense has been bruising today. Simply outstanding. tell you what, it's days like these, I'm happy I'm not a commentator and not a first 15 rugby player, because I would be black and blue from head to toe. Exciting to watch here. Kaiwawao not happy with what he sees. Gisborne, got to give them credit. Spirited. 14-point margin. And they can sense their first try here today. Wiser heads prevail. Tauranga ki waho. Or Tauranga tāne. So only 5 metres out from the Kirikiriroa try line. Line out the set. Both forward packs look like they have been in a battle. Kirikiriroa looking to get themselves out of the red zone. Well, they'll go through the Pomua. Give it to the engine room, boys. We'll carry us out of the danger zone. Picking goes the plenty. Kaiwawal's all over it today, isn't he? Gisborne just offside on that advantage line. So, penalty will relieve the pressure here on Kirikiriroa. Bothaway, been a good leader when they've got the ball to the back line. Gets them down the field. Gisborne have thrown everything at Kirikiriroa here today on the Whitiporua paddock. To Kirikiriroa, Hamilton's credit, they've weathered the offensive storm. Slow walk up to the Tauranga ki waho. Sure, they're feeling the contest. Remember, a couple of weeks off. Got to get the boys back into action here. Super 8 rugby. And the Kaiwawao on the spot. Gisborne again, though. Outstanding as they are, quick to play the ball. Boy, this ball has changed possession multiple times in multiple phases in this game. Don't get out of the kitchen, kid. Boy, how good was Kahutia Crawford, the prop for Kirikiriroa earlier. I've got some powerful runners, Kirikiriroa. Trying to find the space. Comes off funny. Gisborne now just inside the half of Kirikiriroa. Oh, the contest is fierce, isn't it? When the ball's in the ruck situation, can go either way. Exciting to watch. Trying to find possession. Trying to find territory, and beautifully done. Bothaway, a level head here for Hamilton, the number 10. So they made the change, did Kirikiriroa. Started the season with the number 15 Patience Tuapolo as their first 5. Bothaway in the 15 jersey. And then head coach for Kirikiriroa, Cam Morby, the second year in charge of the pack, says we're going to make a switch, and Jackson Bothaway has led this team very well ever since. So close. Multiple penetrations here. Hands have been good. Looking for... No. And the substitution. Ben Ward dots down for Kirikiriroa here in the second half. While sustained pressure from Kirikiriroa pays dividends. And of course the conversion. Unable to get across, so Rotorua MāORI, their toru, 22 points to 3 here in the second half. Gisborne trailing Hamilton Boys High in this Super 8 matchup live on MāORI Plus and Whakātamau. So changes being made. We mentioned Ben Ward in for Kirikiriroa. So is Vili Vaka, who come into one of the prop roles. It's been a bruising confrontation as we see that ball executed perfectly down in the corner, isn't it? Also into the game, Malakai Hala, an impact player from the bench in the 19 jersey for Kirikiriroa. Kirikiriroa strike for their first points in the second half. Now looking to get out of this defensive position. Very lucky there wasn't a knock-on earlier on off the back of that line-up. Line-outs, I should say. Oh, wow. Well, I tell you what, could have been a try. They continue the action. Gisborne, piercing. Turangatane, Etu, Rangatahi. Kirikiriroa bunched in their defence here. Surely the ball moves wide in their space. Just collision after collision. Fresh legs on for Kirikiriroa, remember, in the Kaiwa Wow. Gisborne want to play this game at pace, don't they? How long can Kirikiriroa's defence hold out? That's the question. Oh, I tell you what, some of the tackles, Karawe. Shoulder after shoulder. Hit after hit. Charging run after charging run. And the Kaiwa Wow! Kirikiriroa, you ask the question of them time and time again, and they show what they're made of. Men of steel, men of courage, men of excellence, men of service. Crafting greatness, one of the catchphrases for the Kura. Pamatani or Kirikiriroa. Plenty of action still happening here, though. Real exciting stuff, isn't it? Gisborne, to be fair, boy, oh boy, hey! Gisborne, they have, I don't know what it is about them, but when they are down, they're up. That's probably the best way to describe them. And that's their school motto, isn't it? Courage knows no defeat. That's exactly the way they play Futi Poro. To be very proud for your school here in Gisborne High School, that's for sure. Tussle's been real here today. Chip kick was good. The pressure on Gisborne is immense. Immense. Wow. Kitty to what? You can see them. They're walking around like the Cowboys, if you like. Look at number 8 there. Stormed is there. When he plays with his pink headgear, taking it off now. It's like he's just got off a horse in the OK Corral, the way he struts around the paddock. He's a big lad, and he owns his space, that's for sure. Really is awesome to watch our rangatahi, Kārawē. They get to play Futi Poro, show their talent, their spirit, their kaha, their mana. Oh, I tell you what. Oh, the kawa, no. And he'll make his decision. He has indeed here. And it is the big fella stormed to there. So apologies on the other side. Isaiah Edwards for Kitty Roa going over. That's 2 for the day for Edwards. So Tacoma Fetu me Toru. As we see that one. Regulation for the extra points. So commanding now, Tacoma Iwa me Toru, 29-3. Kirikiri Roa leading. Turangatani Hamilton over Gisborne Boys High. Action continues. Oh, the pressure, isn't it? It's all about pressure. Kitty Roa, they don't muck around, do they? Hardly got time to put your headgear on. Wave after wave, multiple different ways. Wow, right there again. Gisborne, you've got to give them credit as they look to clear that. Oh no. Kitty Roa. I'm going to play the territory game as well. There's no time for a cup of tea in this one, is there? It's action after action. Gisborne have not given up in this game. They never will. Love the spirit of these young rangatahi, young tāne from Gisborne. Built different over on the East Coast. Really are very impressive to watch. The mana they play this game with. Kirikiriroa full of flight today. Multiple man tackles multiple times. Just with what they've got. Kirikiriroa, special Kirikiriroa. Looking outstanding as Hunter Heyman is starting. Waikape hooker dots down here in the 30th minute. Well, Kirikiriroa have put on a clinic as that'll be regulation. So, toru tekau mā ono me toru. 36-3 now as Hamilton stretch the lead. This Super 8 matchup on MāORI Plus. Yeah, great to have you along for it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your viewership here today. Gisborne, they want to try and find another way to get some points. Scored their penalty in the 9th minute of the first half. Penalty kick. Haven't been able to score since. Bruising encounter here today. Ball has gone both ends of the paddock multiple times here today. Really has been a true content, a true example of what Super 8 rugby is all about. And all Kirikiriroa in the second half. On the scoreboard anyway. 3 tries, 2 conversions. Only a 14-point margin at half-time. Now, Rotorua to go Mātoru, 23 points margin here. The back end of the second half. Tauranga tāne. Little hacky sack game of futiporo now at the moment, isn't it? Looking to play the game in territory. Quade Matete on the paddock for Gisborne, off the bench. Clears that one, obviously, for the Rārangi ki waho or Kirikiriroa. Is there one more try in it here for Hamilton before the full-time whistle? Set piece for sure coming off this line out as the rain comes down heavier. The pressure. Gisborne, can they find their way to score before the half, full time? Kaiwawa again. It is thumping down right now. Blood work's been outstanding for Gisborne. Once Kirikiriroa get their defensive line set, it's almost impenetrable, is it? Hard to find it across the advantage line, Gisborne. That is hosing down here. I tell you what, someone has turned the tap on immensely upstairs. Ball handling must be so difficult in these conditions, that's for sure. Gisborne played with courage. Kirikiriroa played with opportunity. Just sheer determination, both teams here. There's a Kaiwa will come back for the knock on. And a fantastic match here today, ladies and gentlemen. That'll be the full-time whistle. It'll be Hamilton that run out victorious in this one. The Kauma Ono, Whetū Te Kauma Ono me, toru 36 points to 3. And a convincing win here for Kirikiriroa in the end. 3 tries in the first half, 3 tries in the second half with 3 conversions, and just the sole penalty to Lutwig from Gisborne in the 9th minute of the first half was the difference. Try scorers today, the Y Cup here for Hamilton. Hunter Heyman dotted down, Foot the captain dotted down as well. Isaiah Edwards for 2 tries today. Taha Elliott, he started the game with a try in that first minute, if you remember. And of course, the big player off the bench, Ben Ward, with a try for Kirikiriroa. So a complete game here for Hamilton. They will stay atop of the table in the Super 8 as we move our way into the playoffs. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your viewership here today and being with us in Kirikiriroa. It's been our complete privilege to bring you with all of our sponsors here at MāORI Plus and the Super 8. I've been Jason Goobies, aka Chopper. Thank you so much. Ka kite anō from Kirikiriroa.